wait, okay. Okay, hi guys, welcome to another video. Yes, last, in my last video, we built the 6-leg pentathlon, right? Right? Am I not guessing it right? Okay, I'm not. So it's right here, oh my gosh. So it's just close to the mingle. Yes, we're gonna build the mingle. Yeah, this is what. I um I forgot to build the fence. Oh god. Oh god, I forgot to build. Oh god, dude. Literally. Oh my god, I'm gonna. Oh, you know what? It's gonna fix it on my other video. Oh my god. Just gonna fix it. Okay. So down we go. We go here. Okay. Go. So this is the mingle. Yes. My favorite game. My second favorite game in season 2. Yeah, that was funny though. Okay. So I just got a bit of a add some. What kind of a place is that freaking is this? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. You know what? It's okay to me, but the circle is kind of bit of not circle-ish. I don't know if that's called not shirt, circle-ish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's get into the video. But the hardest part of this mingle is the circle one. Yes, I know it's kind of easy, but the circle is kind of hard to build. And the roof, yes, you heard me right. The roof is kind of hard to build. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get into the video. And I am 2%. I don't know if I can make it. Oh my gosh.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 링가링가링 링가링가링가링
So, hi guys, welcome to another video. Oh wait, what the? How many times I make a video about this? Oh, I mean, I've been recording for an hour because while I'm recording, it always canceled, and it didn't even save in the gallery. Like, what the freak? So this is my third time recording. I don't know if this is gonna quit or not. If this quits, I'm gonna crash out. So yeah, the room's very detailed. The other rooms are empty because I'm bored. So in my next video, I will build a Squid Game 3. Yay! I forgot the rooms in the season 2. Oh my god. But first I'm gonna build the games because if that is not, okay, wait. What the fuck? Okay, it's actually Frank, not, uh, you know, nothing's alright. Yeah. Oh my god. Uh, so, next build is Sumora Oikara Porella. Yeah, you know it. And this is me, miniature character, and I had too many characters. I don't know. Yeah, this is my old one. The player one, yeah. I've played these games before. I'm sorry. Wait, I forgot I'm 001. Okay, I'm the one who's the front man, so... Well, hold on. Yeah! Elevated! Bro, imagine doing this in real life, bro. What the hell? And finally, the last one. Yeah, the front man, right? Chaipa. 日本語理会話が働く。Bruh! Frontman doing that, bro. What the hell? So, see you guys in the next video, in the hide and seek video. I already do the hide and seek, but still, I need to do that. So, goodbye. That's gonna be my next video recording. I'm not.